Hey everyone, so today I am going to be doing this eye look on my other eye, and I created it using the Bperfect and LMD Master Palette, which looks like this. As you can see, these are some of my favourite shades, and the look I've done today is what I would call a cut crease for beginners, so it's really simple to follow, and I think you will find it really easy. So I'm just going to jump right in. I'm going to zoom in. So the colours I've mainly used are the more warm tones of the palette. I just find myself, I gravitate naturally towards warm tones. So the first colour I used was the colour Marbs. I took a MAC 224 brush. I'm just going to start blending that into and above the crease. And we're just going to keep building that colour up till we get the depth that we want. And because we're doing a cut crease, we're going to bring it all the way over into this inner corner. The second colour we're going to use is Tiger, which is this lovely like bright orange colour. And for that I'm going to use a Zoeva 227. So again, I'm just going to start working that into the crease and bringing it all the way over and slightly above the crease as well, as I have hooded eyelids. So when I open my eyes, I want to be able to see the colours that I'm applying. And go back in with Marbs again, I'm just going to softly diffuse any harsh lines that we've created. Now to deepen up the crease colour, I'm going to take Cocoa and I'm going to use a Zoeva 231 brush. So this brush is just perfect for getting into your crease. You can go back with your previous brushes just to blend that out. To cut out the crease, I'm going to use the Bperfect Cosmetics highlighter pen and a MAC 252 brush. So when I'm cutting the crease, I always tilt my head back a wee bit and just pat the brush on. I don't swipe. And again, just so I see the colour payoff when I open my eyes, I bring it slightly above my crease as my lids are hooded. I keep harping on about hooded lids. Now I like to set this with like a matte colour firstly, so I'm actually going to take, this is the only colour I've used out of a different palette. It's Tempera from Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to take a wee flat brush. Then for this inner white bit, I'm going to take a wee bit of Peaches and Cream Starlight pigment. For my pigments, I always use a flat concealer brush and NYX glitter primer. Apply a wee bit onto the back of my hand, and I just dab down where I want the pigment to go. And just using the same brush. And I'm going to take the colours Smoky and Noir and I'm going to mix them using a Zoeva Smoky using a Zoeva Smoky shader. I'm going to pack them on to the outer corner. And if you pack it on, it's going to give the most intensity before you blend it out. So I like to sort of pack it on as if this shape is coming on round here. Look back, I'm on my 231 that has the cocoa on it. And just very lightly blend that out. And if you lose any intensity of your Smoky and Noir, just build it up again. It's just like working on the crease, you just have to keep building it up until you get the intensity that you want. I'm going to take this Eco Tools brush from Boots and I'm going to spray it with a wee bit of Fix Plus. And then mix in Loyal and Rusty together. I'm just going to start packing it on here before I blend it out. So you just want to feather in your colours together using your brushes nice and lightly. Eyeliner, I'm just going to use my Maybelline Lasting Drama Black eyeliner with the Zoeva Classic Liner brush. Smoke out underneath the eye, I'm going to go back in with Loyal. And this is the Zoeva 228 brush. I'm just going to bring that underneath the eye and I'm going to connect it with here so it's nice and rounded. I prefer a rounded smoky eye. Obviously depending on your own eye shape you can alter this. You can add a wee wing with your liner and all as well. I just don't particularly sit wings. A bit of liner in my bottom lash line. So the colours that I use for the outer corner, I'm going to go back in with them and smoke out the lash line. Just with the exact same brush. I always like my inner corner highlight to be nice and bright, so I used MAC Nylon. That is the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic Mascara. Lashes are these really minky wispies that I've had forever and black brush on gel glue. And for the brow bone highlight, I'm just going to use a wee bit of highlight. Finished eye look. I hope you really enjoyed it and learned something from it. If you try to recreate it, don't forget to tag me in your pictures at BearBeautyNI on Snapchat and Instagram. If you have any requests of any eye looks that you would like to see in the future, you can also contact me via those social media channels to let me know. I will see you in my next video. Bye!